you're going to receive the orange flower, that lovely, soft, gentle, comforting, sort of slightly fruity aroma, the Botanical Hand and Body Cleansing Bar. Oh, it smells heavenly. You get this lovely, creamy, gentle bubbles, and literally a couple of turns of the cleansing bar for your hands and then shoulder to toe. It is so nurturing and so comforting. So that's a lovely little treat, perhaps for a loved one, perhaps for you. It's matching orange flower hand cream. That's a 50 ml, so that's a great handbag size. I keep mine by my bed to remind myself at night time to keep my cuticles nice and comforted. And then our award-winning number 15 fragrance. This is the 10 ml travel size. Yes, it comes in its own little gift box as well. This is that lovely Christmassy aroma. It's spicy. It's a soft, fresh, spicy oriental. Clove bud in there, bourbon vanilla, cinnamon, pink pepper, a little bit of a pick-me-up, a little bit of spice, a little bit of twinkle for Christmas. So those three alone, as I said, are worth well over £30, plus that wonderful cotton tote. So that is a great way to think about Christmas gifting without having to get too involved in thinking about who it's for. It's just a brilliant 3 gift options already there for you when you're stocking up with your cleanse, tone and moisturise.